the people must good is true to the thinking, not to lying to the thinking. Because if you are a true people in your thinking, you growing up again. But if you are lying to yourself, you falling down. About the people walking at the road, do not judging a nonsense word. Because all the people is not knowing what is the story of the people. Any people have a problem. But the important is understanding people. Because the thinking is much good to use to understand in the body, to move and speak clearly. Like me, I did not mind the nonsense word. Because my own thinking, if I use my thinking, only falling down to my feeling, only up my body, only out my mouth speaking, only disappearing to the universe, the world of the wind element. Just see the surrounding, so many idea, but I have my one word. Important is the body, the life is sustaining, not the material living things using, no life, in giving the sicknesses to the people. Like the creation of the child. The creation of the child is giving the sicknesses, but and the life is losing. But if you understanding about the reversal, your life is achieving, going to the young age, but your body is going to the slim body. If you are achieving, your body is going back again to the exactly age of level. Because the word of the fetus, the word of the very big body, stronger. When you use the word of the reverse, your body is going to be slim as a fetus. When you complete, your thinking going back again to the exactly stronger life. No growing old. You can tune yourself like the young age. My grandfather at the past is using the cigarette only for curing to the people. That's the reason sometimes I use the cigarette and wine, because the teacher is using the cigarette and wine to cure to the people. The word of the calling to going home to the exactly present of his thinking. Because the people all is different thinking. The people know using the cigarettes and wine, and the other people must good to the feeling is using the word of cigarettes and wine, but no interpreting the good interpretation about the cigarettes and wine. All the connection of the stomach, all the material living things in cigarettes and wine and food and drinking, all that is only mind-blowing. This village, Santa Cruz, the boy have a cup, white cup. My video recording. That is my the word of Father, and you say about the Father and my work, the simple word is, and the other all is good. You see my father and mother and my brother, I see in the surrounding, and I think only my village the same. Only tuning. The tuning is my original song. I did not writing katabi ko. But all that is quality. The word of the anime. If the full band is using for the song, mas good in the future. Because I find the people, the word of jam, then I use the word of the original song I like. Understand? Yun ito. Tatak. At only one cigarette. Ayos.